85, 84, 74. Resistance above at 30, 38, 44, 53, 61. Pivot 23, resistance at 30, 38, 44, 53, 61. Support below at 13, 04, 44.95, 84, and 74.
Hey, Lee, appreciate it. Thank you. Antonio. Let's make sure everybody is set up for subscription here. It's nominal. Appreciate it. If you like what we're doing here, tell your friends. eminitradealong.com, eminitradealong.com. And Pat, just give me a quick shout out. I think you are signed up. Just let me know. I just don't know by the name in the background. If not, make sure you sign up. Thank you.
All right, market opens up here. We'll see what the day brings. Welcome to everybody. We are trading mini S&Ps. We're looking for opportunities to scalp the market based on the level that just gave out, in addition to any price action opportunities that might occur. And a combination of both of those gives us our opportunity to trade the market, look for setups, and looking to scalp the market based on these levels. We're trying to take 2 to 3 points out of our trades, given certain type of volatility that's available in the market. Obviously, we don't create volatility. All we can do is trade it. Consequently, we're going to get some more opportunities when volatility is greater. Obviously, less opportunities, but in either case, the opportunities are totally based on market fluctuations, and we don't have control over that. So we average 4 to 5 trades a day, and that's I think yesterday we had to be a little bit patient there. If you were, you did well, just based on the levels. Then it got very, very slow in the afternoon. They really pulled the plug there in the afternoon. So we'll see what happens. Market quickly drifted up here, right up to 28.25. We got a little resistance at the 30. You can see our green band coming in there at 32 in our 5-minute, 33 in the hourly, and then we're hourly, blue band and hourly. So some layers of resistance up here. So take that into consideration. Scaling in around the 30. And we quickly come up here to the 30. All right, nice little rotation here. There we go. Nice little quick. Almost against our first entry point there at 29. If you were so inclined to take it, if you did get the 30 or anywhere around it, you got your 2 points. Maybe you got in there at 29.5. We used to be able to scale in at the half point above below it. Volatility changed, so we changed. But some of you still might be doing that. If you did, you're doing okay. All right, continue to uptick. Remember, we said we have other layers of resistance right above it, so take that into consideration. All right. Again, scale them with the 30 still. Again, there's a reason maybe you're doing it because of the levels above. All right, nice little rotation here. All right, see our 30 levels and tested and working out very nicely for us. Again, there's could have left those levels above only because we did have backups. And if you look at the chat, you will see the levels there in the chat that we're going to use as a guide to the day. Again, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. We are scalping these markets based on levels and those levels, in addition to any price action opportunities. You can see the 30 level here worked very nicely. It's a little resistance. All right, so nice little quick opportunity there right out the morning. Let's see if we have any numbers coming out this morning. Of consequence. I think either tomorrow or Thursday, we are going to have the CPI number, which will add a little fuel to the fire or not to the next week's Fed meeting. Technically, it shouldn't. I think they're pretty much foregone conclusion that nothing's going to happen. Again, it's all in the statement.
It's going to be Thursday.
The CPI number?
Yep.
Okay.
7:30.
Keep us hanging one more day.
Yeah, they have the core CPI, the month-to-month CPI, and the year-to-year CPI. All is going to come out at 7:30.
Yeah, they're all coming out.
That's on Wednesday. Excuse me.
Wednesday, tomorrow.
Wednesday, yes.
Okay, good. Yeah, I thought it was one of those 2 days.
Thursday, there's a slew of news coming out Thursday.
The PPI number?
Yeah, the PPI, the retail sales, unemployment claims.
Yeah, PPI number is the wholesale inflation number. So we'll see. That brings those two usually hit the market one day after the other. All right, we're obviously given still 30 area, it's given us a little bit of a rotation and nice little opportunity. All right, again, coming up here, and we have different layers of resistance up here. Anything above the 34, 34 area, you want to be out of any shorts. All right, again, we talked about the different layers of resistance up here. Right up there to 32, gave you an exit strategy above 34. And different ways of trading this little level here, which obviously has some resistance. No, I don't like 35. I said above 34, you want to be out of any short. So I'm trading right here in this 30, 32.9 range. This is where I'm not trading 35 at all. I'm looking at 38 as a nice level of resistance. So I'm out of any shorts above 34. But we gave you plenty of opportunity here to trade this 30, 31, 32 area. And for the reasons that I gave earlier, different layers of resistance up here, and they're all playing themselves out. And you had some nice rotations against them 3 times already. I would say anything above 34, definitely want to be out of any shorts. And again, this little level here worked very nicely. Gave you an exit strategy above 34. Got yourself in there, 32 again. 2-point risk. Got a nice little rotation here. It's worked 3 or 4 times now already. So nice little trade there. 34 is that's good resistance. This is 32 to 3 is good resistance. Once you get above it. All right, so nice rotation there against this little level that we talked about. All right, so now we're just kind of hanging up here at this little level. So you bounced off of our blue band there. Again, if you're a blue band trader, like I said, it's one of those trades that you got to take most of the time. Because most of the time they do work. Nice little bounce there. If you were short against the 32, 33 area, nice cover there. All right, so we don't have a number coming out this morning. Pretty quiet there. And again, market seems to be consolidating after getting a little bit of a sell-off. Oil prices, I think, is putting a little bit of pressure on this market, pushing almost $90 a barrel. So looks like some of these people are calling for $100 a barrel of oil. See how that at some point is going to come into the discussion here with the market. So far, it's been kind of blowing it off here a little bit. But at some point, somebody's going to start talking about it. It's going to be a main driver of the market, I think. All right, so we're a little range bound. All right, market and again range bound here a little bit after playing off of the first level of resistance up here. All right. So again, we've traded up here to our first level of resistance and traded off, and now we're just kind of gravitating into a little bit of a range here. You can see the range that we've been in here most of the last 4 or 5 hours as the market here consolidates here at these new levels and trying to figure out what direction it wants to go next. Again, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. Market kind of buying its time here, waiting for CPI tomorrow. And CPI, and obviously next week the Fed is going to have its meeting, decide interest rates, which is pretty much a foregone conclusion that might not going to raise anything. But again, like I said, it's always going to be a statement and what the statement says following. It's, I don't know, just look at numbers. Yeah, I turned on the game late. I missed his whole Jeff's career. Turn on the game 10 minutes later, I missed his whole career as a Jet. I'm sure he's got a big signing bonus, and some of that contract guaranteed. So really, Achilles, though, that's fix that. This only thing you can do for an Achilles is fix it, then let it heal. It takes a long time to heal. It's a very sensitive little area there. A lot of rehab. A friend of mine had kind of the same injury. It took a while for it to come back. I mean, a lot of rehab. Couldn't really do much. Very sensitive area. But it's worse than breaking a bone or something, or fracturing a bone. Yeah. $75 million guaranteed. Nice. These athletes at the top level contracts is amazing. You don't hear about the athletes in the bottom level of those contracts, even though their minimums are high, but their expenses, you don't have to pay their trainer, their trainer, but their agents and all the other expenses that they have. Lower end of the scale is tough, but the top end, they clean it up. Oh my God, that's a complete debacle. All the talent they got over there, and that happens. How did it? But you have to, take a step back, and you have to remember that there are a lot of foreign players that are playing in the NBA that are top notch. So, but still, they don't even get the medal like that. Yeah, he's got all. I read that too this morning, that he's going to get a whole bunch of NBA stars to compete in the Olympics. I mean, how old is LeBron? At some point, it's got to wonder. I mean, he's still a name, but still. All right, let's come back up here. The other teams are getting better, and the other countries are getting better. Like I said, a lot of the star players in the other countries are playing in the NBA. So, but they also, I think, the only way you beat, a team like USA is definitely, I think, it's a team game. Everything's got to go perfect. We are range bound. So, it's okay. At least we had a nice rotation against our top level there. We still have exit strategy above the 34 area, so that is there for you. Still, market is set up, I think, above 34. You want to be short, and we'll look for a push up to 38 if that happens. Yeah, today they got the big what is it? Big show out on the West Coast there. Coming up with their new phone. I mean, basically, I don't know what I don't know what their the technology in these phones are amazing. I mean, and they do last longer. So, but their sales are still high. So cameras are always better. Cameras are great now. That was the weirdest game last night. I mean, that was Buffalo. I was that quarterback would return to it. I mean, that game wasn't made for TV. I don't know what was, especially in New York. Right? I mean, Aaron Rodgers gets hurt. Got this quarterback who's been around a while. All of a sudden, he comes in. But the way they line up, 3 turnovers by the same guy. It's like, yeah, they do make good scripts there in the NFL. Oh, please. No, and they had a good quarterback, supposedly. Let's see. Everybody talking. Again, we still, the dynamics haven't changed. Anything above 34, you lose, you look for that next level above. We're definitely range bound here. The only question is how many times you think it's trade against 34. Downside support is down at 13. And the rest of it, we have to be patient. And at least we had a nice trade against our 30 area. So it is what it is. Yeah, if anybody has any questions, comments, thoughts, ideas, please feel free to ask, talk, chat. It's tough when we are stuck in a 6-7 point range, not going anywhere fast. Way to go, Philip. You have a great day. See you tomorrow. All right, range bonds, as you can see, patience is important. Downside support, a little support at a pivot, push rotation to it. Otherwise, you'll look for the 13 on the downside, upside resistance at 38. And right now, in the middle. Florida. I don't think I've seen a bit about trading. There's a documentary. I've seen a documentary. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, I've seen that documentary a while ago. An old one. Yeah. No, that was us. We were there. I called it controlled chaos. That's what I called it. And I described it to somebody because people would ask me, how do you know what's going on? And everybody's screaming and yelling at each other. Everybody who was in the floor was obviously traded for a while, knew what was going on, and it was definitely controlled chaos. And it's an art form that's never going to be around, I guess, anymore. No, obviously, uh, I think I was looking at to see if I was in the documentary, but I wasn't. No, I don't know the people who put it together. Or that person. All right, we're back here in this range, unfortunately. The market is kind of hanging out here.
We're coming into 10:15 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to post the opportunity to sign up for the service, so take a moment and sign up. That are interested in the opportunity to have a funded trading account, make sure you sign up and we'll pass you the information. For those that are looking for trader coaching, ask, solve, and chat. Have a dialogue. Richard, how are you making out? Antonio. Go on. Hey, Kevin. So the first order of business is to sign up for the service. Then what we can do is we can hook you up directly with your trade along host Saul. And you can discuss the opportunities related to his teaching and what you're looking to learn. First, you could learn price action trading, methodology, the concept of the entries, exits, and stops in and around Saul's pre-mapped out levels and the levels it gives out right around the cash open. And as a supplement to your coaching, you have access to this service as a subscriber, as a proving ground for what you're learning, and a continued relationship with your trade along coach. Gives a great continuity to what you're learning and applying, and able to have interaction with your trade along coach as it relates to what you learned in your private session. So you can learn how to set the levels. You can learn what to do with those levels right from your trade along coach. It's done in a private Zoom classroom where you have access to your trade along host. You have a microphone, you can have a camera, you can share charts. It's a great way to really focus in on scalping the S&P 500 E-mini. Look to develop consistent profitability. And it's really a feedback loop. You're in private session, you're learning, honing your trading technique, and then you come in here into this trade along environment, you apply those newfound trading skills, and as part of the feedback loop, you're getting feedback from your trade along coach. It's a very interesting concept. Hey, Tony, how are you? And again, the first order of business is to sign up for the service. Right now, it's usually $400 a month. Right now, it's on for $150. So take that step. After that, we can have a private consultation about what you would want to learn. Like, where are you in your trading? What would help supplement your current trading style to help you trade better? And then the reinforcement of that. Hey, Tony, welcome to E-mini Trade Along. We're focused on doing 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. We're looking to pick up 2 points plus on each trade. This is an educational opportunity for traders to do better in their trading during the trading session. We give out levels right around the cash open. Right now it's 10:23. The cash open was at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Hey, Don, I don't know if you're in the background, if you can repost the levels. The chat for Tony. Beautiful. So Tony, check that area out. And Tony, how you making out? Ash, I know you're interested in coaching. Just let us know. Kevin, how you making out? Lana, let us know if you're interested in private coaching with your trade along host. Mauricio, how are you doing in qualifying for a funded account? Philip, thank you.
All right, well, we finally kind of drifted down here a little support here at 23, but if you're more risk averse, you're looking at the 13 area. You can see the levels there in the chat. Those are the levels we got to use as guide for the day. They are there for us to use for our setups. We can see here we use the 30 area and had a nice rotation against it as the market kind of quickly rotates down here for whatever reason, as we have support down at the 13 area. Again, told you it was very risky. Always, for more risk averse, you're looking at 13 as our next support level. You just never know when there's going to be some volatility that's injected into the market. Excuse me, like I just did right now, that created this push here through, and that's why you have to be a little bit careful with those price action trades and make sure you keep your stops in place. And the market continues to downtick here to touch and see if they make a new low or not. Something's up, right? Now all of a sudden we get this little push here to the downside. You never know, like I said, you never know when somebody says something, creates some opportunity for volatility. And this is what's going on right now. Still haven't gotten a new low. Easy. But not yet. There's some quiet buying down here around the 20 area. I'm still looking at 13 as our next support level. Somebody's buying it down here. Keep bouncing off of it. All right, there's that little push here below. We're looking at the 13 level next as our support level. Again, we got our 30 pretty quick off the morning. That whole area there gave you an exit strategy above the 34. You could have played it a couple times there. Wanted to. Exit strategy was still holding and then solidified with the price action. All right, again, we're staying kind of weaker side here, looking at the 13 next support level. Do we end short anywhere? Tough to really say. I mean, we were pretty much range bound there for such a long time that it was going to make a move like this. We would have to do it on its own. We did. The only thing we did see was a little buy above the 34, but otherwise, on the downside here, there really wasn't much of an indication, which is fine. It doesn't matter as long as we're not getting caught long. And only if you did buy the pivot there, obviously, you kind of got to stop down. Market drifted down to the 17 area there, rotating back up here a little bit. All right, we're coming back up here to the pivot area, so kind of a little. If you were looking to get short, take advantage of this trade with yen. It's only place it's above. Back up there by the 25 area. Anything above, I've got 27. You want to be out of the shorts. You're, I got that feel for it here, so I don't know what it looks to. I got a downside support there at 13, and I'll just kind of wait for that. We could easily go back and trade the range that the market was trading at the last 4 or 5 hours. So, but if you're a little aggressive, you want to get short, this is the place to do it. Otherwise, yeah, be patient. Now again, coming up here to our pivot area, it's going to seem to just wanting to try to hold or not. No. Like I said, if you're going to get short, let's do it. Now we're just kind of hanging here on a pivot. Could really go either way here. Again, if you did take the pivot area there, just scalping it. All right, the pivot area to very nicely if you wanted to get short again. I'm talking about where you would want to get shorts, not just anywhere. You have to find good reasons to get short. There are reasons to get short in our coaching classes. We talk about multiple reasons to trade, either get long or short. So, and the reasons are what work that we do.